mean, I want to take another. Anyways, yeah. One more. I'm going to help you guys take. What is it? Say the word. Hi, I'm Sidharth Malhotra and I'm the new guinea pig for MyGlamm's new lit collection. So I'm going to attempt to explain some makeup terms so that the boys can get some brownie points when their girlfriends or friends put makeup and they know what they're doing. Highlighting is on the cheeks, accentuate those lovely curves on the face, and because that's where it really matters. Men love staring into women's eyes and the cheeks are right below them. Okay, so contouring is just like fake abs. It's to sharpen your cheekbones. Baking, you guys don't know baking yet. Baking is just how it's making your face look yummy and sweet. Hitting pan is when all the boys don't praise your girlfriends. Yeah, no, actually also when if her makeup is getting over and she's just about to get more. You guys should buy her more MyGlamm makeup for that. Buffing is what the boyfriend should stop doing and pay attention to the girl. I'm guessing buffing kya hai? Hello. Now you guys are making things up. Come on. Is that actually a term for makeup? Cupid's bow. What? Yeah, it's the lower lip, guys. Come on. All the boys should know this right here. The perfect lip shape. I think the curves on the lips. Tight line is something that all the boys are staring at their girls' eyes. Yeah, I don't know what you guys are thinking, but it's right here. It's right. It's almost like kajal, but like the lower line. Come on, it's like Urban Dictionary. Yeah, on fleek is like it looks great, fab, MyGlamm. Serving face, no idea. To pose intensely for a selfie is called serving face. I didn't know that. Do you guys know that? That's sickening. It's awesome. It's great. Dying piece. It's special. One and only. Beating your face. I think it's a term for looking like top notch, like 10 on 10. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope this cleared out some of your issues, and now I know why girls take so long to get ready. But it's all for us. So thank you, and big kiss to all the ladies.